When it comes to YouTube SEO, keywords are often considered the holy grail. They're the secret to getting your video seen by the people who matter most, your target audience. But just how important are keywords really? Can they single-handedly make or break your video's success? The answer is a resounding maybe. You see, keywords can definitely give your video a boost in visibility, but they're just one piece of the puzzle. And today we're going to explore the role keywords play in getting your videos seen. A lot of creators think that simply adding a few keywords to their video title and tags is enough to guarantee success. But the truth is, it's just not that simple. YouTube is an incredibly competitive platform with millions of hours of content vying for viewers' attention. And if you think that just tossing in some keywords is going to magically make your video rise to the top, you're sadly mistaken. The reality is that everyone is using keywords, so it's not a magic trick that's going to set you apart from the crowd. In fact, it's often the most competitive keywords that are the least effective because everyone is fighting for that same top spot. But that doesn't mean keywords aren't important. They're still a crucial part of your video's discoverability, and when used correctly, they can make a huge difference. So how do you use keywords effectively? Well, it starts with understanding your target audience and what they're searching for. It's not just about finding a keyword that gets a lot of searches. It's about finding a keyword that resonates with your viewers. And that means doing your research and being intentional about the keywords you choose. The key to success lies in finding a balance between using keywords that are both relevant and competitive. You want to use keywords that are specific enough to attract the right audience, but not so specific that they're not getting any searches. And that's where tools like TubeBuddy and vidIQ come in. They can help you identify the sweet spot and find keywords that are going to give you the best ROI. Let's talk about how to actually research and select keywords. One strategy is to use Google Keyword Planner to find keywords that are related to your niche. You can also use tools like Ahrefs to analyze your competitors and see what keywords they're using. And then there's the old-fashioned way, just using YouTube's autocomplete feature to see what people are searching for. The point is, there are a lot of ways to research keywords, and the best approach is often a combination of all of these strategies. The impact was huge. I started getting comments and messages from entrepreneurs who were using my tips to boost their productivity. It was amazing to see how something as simple as using the right keyword could make such a big difference. And that's what I want to leave you with today. The understanding that keywords are important, but they're not a magic bullet. You need to pair them with high-quality content that resonates with your audience. In summary, keywords are just one piece of the puzzle when it comes to YouTube success. You need to do your research, be intentional about the keywords you choose, and pair them with content that actually provides value to your viewers. That's the secret to getting your videos seen and making a real impact. Thanks for watching, and if you've had success with keywords in the past, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. And if you're ready to take your YouTube channel to the next level, be sure to check out my video on optimizing your channel for maximum visibility. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on GuyRcook.com. If you like this video, found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel for more valuable content on digital marketing and other things. It's a wrap.